How to make a funky bunny, like this, or like this, or maybe like this, perhaps like this, or even like this. But first we have to explore the element of art, which is space. So space is an illusion which makes things look like they're closer to us or farther away. Let's play a little game to practice. Background or foreground? Round one. Is this woman in the foreground, the front, or in the back? That's right, she is in the front. Background or foreground? Round two. Are these two people in the back or the front? That's right, the front. Background or foreground? Round three. Is this person in the foreground or background? Foreground, nice job. Background or foreground? Round four. Is this person on the horse in the foreground or background? Foreground. Bonus round. Is Mona Lisa in the foreground, the front, or in the background, the back? Foreground, the front. Nice work. Our first thing to do is collect our materials. We need a sheet of paper, a pencil, some paint. We're using tempera paint, a cup of water, and a paintbrush. As always, our first step is to write your name and your teacher's name. Flip it like a pancake. Watcha. Great job. Now you're going to paint a pattern or a design for your background. Your background can have any type of pattern you want. I did kind of a sunburst pattern by using my ruler, but you might like to make stripes like this. Maybe you'd like to do a free-form design where you just kind of do wiggly lines. You could also do polka dots, whatever your heart's desire. After you've decided what you're going to paint it. So I'm using my brush, which I've dipped into a little bit of water. Swirl, 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 and then you paint it on your paper. It can be any color. Ooh, any pattern. Great job. Maybe you'd like to do a pattern like this, or like these from Wonder Bar, or stripes like this. Put it on the drying rack. Next, we're going to draw the bunny. This is going to be the foreground or the front. So as always, we write our name and our teacher's name on our paper. Flip it like a pancake. Nice. Now, for my friends that are in the classroom, you're welcome to trace the bunny template that we have on the blue cart. But if you'd like to free draw your bunny, you're going to be using a pencil. Why do we use a pencil when we draw? That's right, so we can erase. But I'm going to be using a marker so that you can see it on camera. The first thing I'm going to do is draw one big circle. This is going to be where the nose and the mouth of my bunny are. Now I'm going to draw the top of the forehead on the right side. So it's a flat line, curves down, then out, and then connects at the middle of my circle at the bottom. Up and around. Now we're going to do the same thing on the left side. It goes across, down, around, and then up to meet the middle of the circle. Now I'm going to make the left ear. It's kind of like an upside down V shape. Maybe you want your bunny to have longer ears or maybe fatter ears. And then the same thing on the other side, upside down V shape. So it goes up and then down. I'm going to do the bottom part of his body, both sides, a U shape for his nose, a straight line, and then a backwards J shape, and then another hook. And now he has a mouth. You can do your eyes any way you'd like. I kind of did upside down U. And then I did the same thing on the other side. So upside down U, and then straight line. Now we're going to add pattern and texture to our bunny. So maybe you'd like to do a variety of different types of lines or shapes. I'm doing kind of just whatever feels right, sort of like a Zentangle thing. I'm doing dots, I'm making straight lines, I'm following the contours of the bunny's face. So I'm going around in a circle. Maybe you'd like to do wavy lines, maybe you'd like to do hearts, maybe you'd like to do stars. Maybe you would like to turn your bunny into your favorite character. Maybe you'd like to give him features that make him look cute or kind of scary. It's whatever you'd really like your bunny to look like, just as long as you fill it up with lots of different patterns or texture. I am using a black marker, but you are welcome to use different colors. You can also use colored pencil, crayons. Now let's cut out the bunny. So we're going to cut along the edge all the way around. Throw that trash away. Now we're going to do the fun part. So we're going to put our bunny, which is in the foreground, we're going to glue it onto our background and give it a nice little massage. Thanks, that feels great. Now, if you'd like to add some accessories to your bunny, you can add another sheet of paper over top of your bunny so you can kind of get an idea of size. So see how you can sort of see through my paper? I am drawing a bow tie, and I'm also going to be drawing a pair of sunglasses. Or I guess they're regular glasses, not sunglasses. So just so I can see where my bunny's face is, so I know what kind of size to make my sunglasses, I'm tracing around the top. Maybe you like to give your bunny a top hat. Maybe you like to give him a game console so he can play some video games. Maybe you like to give him your favorite sports jersey. Whatever you'd like. Your bunny is yours to personalize. Now we're going to cut them out, color them, and glue them onto our bunny. Here's a trick. You fold your paper over and then you can cut through the inside. So I'll show you again. Fold it, snip it, and then you can carefully cut through so that your sunglasses or your glasses are lens free. All right, throw our trash away. And now I colored my lenses and my bow tie off camera, and now I'm gonna glue them on. Give it a nice little massage. And last but not least, if there's any little pieces that are coming up, I had to re-glue them out just a little bit. Now our artwork is complete. When you're finished, your artwork goes in the drying rack. Nice work, friends.